All right, let's talk about one of the most critical, yet often invisible roles in all of healthcare, the certified endoscope reprocessor. These are the folks on the front lines, the guardians making sure that incredibly complex medical tools are 100% safe for every single patient. We're going to dive right in.
So here's our roadmap. First, we'll pull back the curtain on the hidden risks that make this job so vital. Then we'll meet the pro who handles it all, the Certified Endoscope Reprocessor, or CER. After that, we'll break down the exam they have to pass, walk through the super detailed cleaning cycle they master, and finally, we'll look at the career path this certification can unlock for you.
Okay, let's start with the stakes, because they are incredibly high. We are talking about a job where being meticulous, where being precise, is literally a matter of life and death.
I mean, think about this for a second. It's a total paradox, right? Endoscopes are these amazing, life-saving tools. They let doctors perform procedures with tiny incisions, but their design is so complex. They have these long, super narrow channels and delicate parts that make them a nightmare to clean. And if they're not reprocessed perfectly, they can go from a healing tool to a source of serious infection.
And this is where it gets really sobering. Check out this number. A major review found that over 65% of hospitals were not fully compliant with the rules for reducing infection risks for medical equipment. That is a huge number. This isn't just a few minor slip-ups. It shows a massive, system-wide challenge and exactly why we need dedicated specialists.
Which brings us right to our hero, the Certified Endoscope Reprocessor. This is the professional who is specifically trained and certified to step in and manage that risk, to solve that exact problem.
So, what is a CER? They are a cornerstone of the healthcare team. Their entire job is laser-focused on the unique challenges of endoscopes. This isn't your general-purpose sterile processing, no. This is a whole other level. It's a deep-dive discipline that blends microbiology, infection control, and a really hands-on understanding of how these complex devices actually work.
So, what does it really take to be great at this? Well, it boils down to these core skills. Of course, you need the technical know-how, but look at this list. Meticulous attention to detail is absolutely non-negotiable. The reprocessing cycle can have over 65 individual actions, and you can't miss a single one. And you need amazing hand-eye coordination to handle these instruments that are both incredibly delicate and incredibly expensive.
Okay, so you've got the skills, but how do you prove it? Let's look at the exam itself, because this is how that expertise gets validated. The CER exam isn't just another test. It's the gold standard that proves you have what it takes to protect patients.
Let's break down the basics. The exam comes from the Healthcare Sterile Processing Association, or HSPA. You need a score of 75 to pass, but keep in mind that's a scaled score. It's a smart system that keeps the test fair for everyone, no matter which version you get. But you know what's really important here? This isn't a one-and-done kind of thing. You have to renew your certification every single year, and that requires 6 hours of continuing education. That's how you know a CSR is always up to date.
Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty, the technical heart of the job. Mastering the reprocessing cycle is what this is all about. It's this intricate multi-step dance where every single step is absolutely critical.
Take a look at this diagram. It shows you the entire journey of an endoscope, and it's a continuous loop. It starts with cleaning right after the procedure, then moves through 10 distinct, non-negotiable stages before it can be safely put away. The complexity you see right there? That is exactly why this certification matters so much. There are no shortcuts, zero.
Let's just highlight a few of these stages. Manual cleaning is the absolute foundation. If you don't physically scrub off all the gunk, the disinfectant later on just can't work properly. Then you've got high-level disinfection, or HLD. That's the chemical warfare step. After that, drying. This is huge. Even a tiny bit of leftover moisture can become a breeding ground for bacteria, completely undoing all your hard work. And finally, you have to store it perfectly so it stays clean until the next patient needs it.
So you've mastered the science. You've mastered the process. What does that actually mean for your career? Let's talk about the very real rewards that come from becoming a certified expert in this field. Well, for starters, the demand for these skills is exploding. Look at this. The projected job growth for endoscopy technicians is a whopping 17%. That's not just good, it's way faster than the average for most other jobs. And it makes sense, right? With an aging population and doctors using more of these minimally invasive procedures, the need for qualified techs is only going up.
And that high demand translates directly into a solid career path. The median annual salary was already around $47,500 back in 2020. You're looking at competitive pay and usually pretty stable work schedules. It's a really promising career for someone who's dedicated to this vital part of healthcare.
This quote right here just nails it. The CER certification isn't just a piece of paper you hang on the wall. It's a powerful statement. It tells everyone, hospitals, surgeons, and most importantly patients, that you are a highly capable professional who can be trusted to manage risk in one of the most high-stakes areas of medicine.
Because ultimately, that's what this is. It's about being a guardian. You're the unseen expert, the last line of defense, making sure that the very tools meant to heal us never, ever cause harm. So, the only question left is, are you ready to be that guardian?
For free CER practice test, you can either click the link in the description or simply scan the QR code on the screen.